Hi guys, in this video let's see an update to the Samsung Galaxy S7. Samsung providing updates on every month security patches to all their flagship mobiles, as this mobile is far away from the present day Samsung flagship, but they are providing the updates every month. If you want a little bit clarity about it, you can see my channel also. There are so many videos on updates also, so let's check it out. What is the update? In this they are improving the stability and improving the bugs also. Now let's download it and see what are the changes. And it is running on let's see the security patch, last security patch. There you can have a clear idea about it. Here you can see it is running on 8.0.0 and Samsung Experience 9.0, and here we can see the last security patch. It's 1st October only. Now let's see, as it is the November security patch. As the Samsung company is behind because of the updates only, as it will not provide updates as fast as Google and other companies, and it is the only negative point, as the users have, as by the users feedback, the Samsung has realized that they are behind as they are lack of updates, and it is the only reason why they are failing in the trying to give the updates to their Guys, the update has been downloaded. Now let's install now and see what will be the, as it will take a lot of time. I will forward the video to save your time. As the update has completed, now let's see the security patch also. Now it is on 1st November 2018 security patch, and it is the only change that we can see, as the Samsung is trying to push out the updates to their all mobiles, but it will taking so much of time. But for the Samsung flagship mobiles, they are providing security patches every month. You can see my channel also previous videos. In last 3 months, I think I had posted 2 update videos. You can download it without any ambiguity. It is just a short video to give that Samsung has been trying to provide the updates every month. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. If you have any inquiries, you can feel free to ask me in the comments below.